me that you thought you'd get how much?
$120 maybe.
$120. Okay. So, go ahead and show them everybody what you got.
Okay, so this is
the
the 14 and the 10 carat. I just piecemealed out of my mom's gold jewelry and a couple old things that I don't wear anymore. And a broken ring.
So it was a good investment for you.
Yeah.
Okay, hold your hand out. 100.
Yeah! Shut up.
200. 300. 400.